Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Now we have brought you a video that is going to be very interesting and important, in which we will tell you the names of the countries that have euro currency within a magic trick, that too within 5 minutes only. So let's start the video and we will see the countries that use the euro currency. There are 20 countries in the world that use the euro currency. So let's start the video. There is a man named SSP CC Phil. SSP means who is a senior superintendent of police. He name is a CC Phil. So SSP is a police officer whose name's CC Phil. I am a big fan of him. I am. I mean Italy and M mean Malta. Big. Big stand for B mean Belgium, I for Ireland, G for Germany, and G for Greece. Fans. F mean France, and next A mean Austria, N mean Netherlands, or S mean Spain. SSP mean S mean Slovakia, next S mean Slovenia, and P mean Portugal. CC Phil. C mean Croatia, next C mean Cyprus, F mean Finland, E mean Estonia, L mean Latvia, and next L mean Lithuania, and third L mean Luxembourg. I am big fans of SSP CC Phil. This is the whole trick, and next these countries which will be given below: Italy, Malta, France, Austria, Netherlands, Spain, Slovakia, Slovenia, Portugal, Belgium, Ireland, Germany, Greece, Croatia, Cyprus, Finland, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, and Luxembourg. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel.